The weather is trash today, and it's cold, it's windy, and it's winter overall, you can see that. But I woke up really excited of flying drones today, and I'm bored of only flying in front of my laptop for many hours, and I already know those maps perfectly, and I really want to feel a real quad, you know. And maybe you had the same problem in the past, but you didn't really know what to do in this case. So I think you remember this tiny drone here is the Mobula 8 Happy model. With that being said, today I want to show you how to build and how to make a good environment for flying your tiny drone inside your house. I'll push this to the most extreme part, and I only have my garage here, the place where I build my drones. You already know this place, this background. Only need a lot of creativity to build a good track. You can actually have a lot of fun, even if you don't have space, even if you don't have a lot of trees, doesn't matter. You can do all these things inside one room or a few square meters, whatever. Okay, in my opinion, I think a good track is a track that will test your throttle management. In this place, we don't talk about high speeds or things like that. We should try to focus on precision maneuvers and tight maneuvers. So let me show you through Tiny Guy what I'll do here. So I have quite a bit of room to play with. These are all my drones here, parts, puzzles, whatever. I'll choose a starting point right now, and I think the most suitable starting point is here on this mouse pad. This will be our first point. I'll move these books. I'll go in this direction, right there. Okay, now, and I'll hit that gap. I'll move this box for this moment right here. I'll hit it right here. I'll go through this gap. So I'll move this box here, and I can go right past this wooden thing. After this turn, I can go to my chair. I can make a U-turn using this box. So I'll go through this chair, and I go under here, just like that, under my chair, right here, up here, and I'll go through this gap. I'll go right here. Now, what gap should we hit? Here. This tiny and dark place. And I'll go right above my naked GoPro. Another turn here. Under my chair again. Through this gap. And then I'll go up and I'll stop on the table. I need to place my drone right here. That's a fair track, I guess. This. Really need some help for this one. So what do we have here? We have a 2S equipped with ELRS SPI, I think, or it's no, I think it's a WART receiver. I have no idea what receiver I have on this. This is a Happy model Mobula 8, wonderful drone. 2S batteries, 3 air unit. Yeah. Power up the transmitter.
Welcome to HTX.
Okay, that angle camera. I don't want to fly crazy, I only want to fly precision. Let's power this thing up. Okay, I have image on my goggles, Radio Master, and give it a go. So I said I'll go right here. Okay, after that I'll go through this gap. Now I'll go to my chair. Okay, underneath here. Now hit this gap up here. Ooh, okay, we're still fine. Now, do we have enough space? It's harder than I thought, but we'll try again. Okay, I think I need to go a little bit backwards right here. Very, very small gaps, but I think we'll manage to do it. Let's go for another try. So I go here, come on. Oops. Okay, let me bring it back. Ooh, that wasn't really expected. Okay. Oh, okay. First is out. Let's put it here. We'll still try. Drone is actually in a weird position right now. And here we go. Head to the first gap. We made it. Second gap. Made it. Third gap. Go right here. Fourth gap. Okay, we go up. Fifth gap. Now, I need to go right here. That was really insane. I can actually modify something a little bit here. Let's go again for a bigger gap. Okay, so this is our first gap. Ooh, second gap. Chair gap. We go right here. Oops. Okay, easy. Okay. Yeah, that's a pretty normal thing. That was the second battery. Drone here. Here we go. And we start our way in. The first gap. Second gap. Third gap. Okay. Easy. Okay. Okay. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay, let's try to move this. I was so close. That was the last gap before landing pad. Okay. Let's give it a try again. And here we go. Oh, okay. My mistake. We'll do it. I hope we'll do it. So take off. Head to the first gap. Right here. After this one. Now chair gap. Ooh, that was fast. Okay. Okay, I don't know if that counts, but still. Ooh, okay. And we made it! Oh my god. Okay, I don't know if that counts because I've gone a little bit higher than I wanted to. I think we should try again. I really want to go through that exact spot. Let's see if I have enough power to go with another run with this battery. Okay, I think I have enough power. So, let's try again. This gap. This gap. Ooh, okay. This one. Go lower here. Okay, high enough. Ooh, okay. Slow here. Okay. Now we need to go right here. Nice. That was even better. I actually made it. That's insane, bro. That's insane, and that was the battery, by the way. Maybe you have now reason to buy something like this. This is really fun. And yeah, I don't really have much space here to go really fast, but believe me, in an apartment or something with a lot more rooms, you can go a lot faster, a lot higher, a lot tighter. That was really fun. So you saw how I did all these things using only this place. You can see here, and a bunch of things that I have. I really made a track that was really cool, that was really nice to go through. I had a really good feeling of the drone. I've experienced a lot of real-time conditions, like you saw in that gap where my drone went. That's the point. That's the point of this whole video. What can I tell you right now? If you don't have one, buy it. It's absolutely phenomenal. I recommend every beginner, every pilot to have something like this. This is an amazing thing to fly everywhere. With that being said, I hope I helped you with this video and gave you an idea of what you can do without big space. Tiny drone with some things in your house, with chairs, whatever. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. It helps me a lot. You can find me on social media right here. See you next time, guys. Bye.